Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst in Addend Analytics. Today, in the series of ChatGPT for data analytics, we will see how we can use ChatGPT for Excel or how we can use ChatGPT for day-to-day tasks which we perform using Excel. So we will directly go to ChatGPT and see how we can use it for Excel. When you log into ChatGPT, you will get this interface, and as our first step, we will assign the role to ChatGPT. We will enter the prompt as pretend to be a Excel expert. Now let's suppose you are a beginner and you want to learn Excel. So what you have to do, you have to introduce yourself to ChatGPT. You have to enter the prompt as I am the beginner in the field of data analytics. You will enter the prompt as I am the beginner in the field of data analytics and I want to learn Excel, and then you will specify the version of the Microsoft Excel you are using. As an output, it will return the list of all the topics which you have to learn for Excel. Now let's suppose I have a dummy data in my Excel file. As you can see here, I have the detail about the employees, their name, gender, city, state, and the other detail. I will copy the name of all the column so that I can use it in ChatGPT. Let's suppose I want to calculate the total income of all the employees. I want to get the formula, so I will use ChatGPT to generate that formula. What I have to do, first I have to provide the details about my dataset. Then you have to enter what you want. So we have entered the prompt as I want you to calculate the total income. So when we enter this prompt, ChatGPT will return the formula to calculate total income. In this way, we can also create the complex formula for our requirement. Then we can also use ChatGPT to learn about conditional formatting. By simply entering this prompt, you will get all the details about conditional formatting. You will, as you can see here, you will also get the example how you can apply conditional formatting. Next, we can also use ChatGPT to create VBA macro codes. Let's suppose you want to create a basic macro code which will take the input from the user and convert the text to uppercase, and you want to show the output in the message box. So you will simply enter that prompt into ChatGPT and it will return the macro code. Then you have to copy that and paste it into Excel. So in this way you can use ChatGPT for all the day-to-day tasks you perform within Excel. Thank you for watching.